Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I would like to give tribute to our Philippine team, Gilas, for winning the gold medal in this recent 2023 Asian Games basketball, ending the 61-year drought. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I know most of the time the content of my vlog is more on computer programming, technology, information technology, news, and among others about my personal life. But today, I would like to add some news that might be uh, a good news to everyone, especially for my fellow Filipinos. After 61 years of drought, not winning a gold medal in Asian Games, Gilas Pilipinas beats Jordan to win Asian Games, ending earning a gold, ending 61-year drought. Okay, it was reported by Sir Denison Ray A. Dalumpang, Inquirer.net. Now, what is my takeaway, being published October 6, 2023? We all know that China is one of the strongest team, in Asia in terms of basketball. They have the height, they have the talent, and also other countries. But right now, the Philippine team, the Pilipinas Gilas, prove that they are worth also to win an Asian game for a gold. It has been a very long journey actually, that I observed, many losses in FIBA, in international event, but I guess it's about time that we win, So here, Gilas Pilipinas head coach Tim Cone asked for one more great effort from his players in the 19th Asian Games on Friday night. He got a performance that will be talked about for ages. The Philippines rolled Jordan 70-60, that is 10-point lead, to rule the men's basketball showcase at Hangzhou Olympic Center Gymnasium in China, and delivered the country's first Asian Games gold in over half a century. Justin Brownlee was big once again, scattering 20 points for Gilas Pilipinas, and Sugunabi added 14. Chris Newsome had 13 and Scottie Thompson 11 in the effort that averaged a bit down at the hands of the Falcons last weekend. According to Coach Tim Cone, our guys were just really disciplined tonight, Cone told reporters in the den of their rivalries. It was just a good game by us tonight, and Jordan had an off shooting night. It was the preliminary round loss that forced Gilas to play an extra game in the tournament. But looking back, the long route afforded Cone and the squad just exactly what it needed for a no tomorrow duel for the top prize. Gilas trashed Qatar, survived Iran, and stunned China to become one cohesive squad worthy of taking down a well-oiled few eager to notch a milestone for itself. The improvement was in full view on Friday night as the Philippines managed to enjoy leads as big as 13 points. I think we did a good job recovering Bazai, not letting him get a lot of looks in that was one of the keys, according to Coach Tim Cone said. I know it is not no gold for Jordan. It would be their first. Good for both of us, he added with a smirk. Both sides started slowly in an error-riddled first quarter, which the Philippines edged 17-12, but Jordan, seeking its first Asian title, rallied to enter time level at 31-31. The momentum shifted back to the Philippines in the third quarter, and they took a 51-41 lead into the home stretch and then held their nerve for a famous victory. Through the win, the Philippines topped its fifth gold medal. The last came in 1962 in Jakarta, Indonesia, courtesy of a squad led by the late FIBA Hall of Famer Carlos Loizaga. The national last podium finish a bronze that was back in 1998 when Cone also called the shots. Okay, so Rondell Hollis Jefferson had 24 points, but with Freddie Ibrahim, the only other Jordanian player, scoring in double digits, the Falcons had to settle for a silver. A feat of its own win range against the country's measly 5 appearances in the quadrennial showpiece. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on historic win by the Pilipinas Gilas to beat Jordan to win Asian Games basketball gold, ending the 61-year drought. A very historic win, I guess, It's about time that the Philippines now prove its worth in the field of basketball. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you learned and entertained in this video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.